Kailangan mo pa mag-practice. Pero maganda yung form mo, ha?
Thank you, sir.
Sir, me and the boys will help him on his supplemental training.
Sige, let's see after a month kung pwede siya. Sige.
As our new member, you have to earn becoming a lion.
Huh?
You want to be our brothers, you have to follow us.
Okay, I'm in. Bro, si Abby kaibigan.
Seth.
Hi. Of course, everyone knows you. I mean, dahil Lions ka.
Hey, Coach.
Oh, kayo, ha? In 3 months, mag-start ang inter-school competition. You have to win the championship again.
Tawel. Oh, Brad, walang ganyanan. Uy, yung towel ko. Seth! Joel! Oh, Brad, wala namang ganyanan. Uy, yung towel ko. Seth! Max! Joel! Yung towel ko! Kasi hindi mo nakipagbiro ka eh.
Bakit pare? Mga lalaki naman tayo dito ah.
It's part of initiation.
Meron kami ipapagawa sa'yo. Ano? Game ka ba? Ano? Let's go! Dali! You wanna be a lion, right?
Lagay mo dyan. Uy! Uy! Seth! Seth! Walang ganyanan! Wait! Bro! Uy! Walang ganyanan! Brad! Brad, di naman ako nakipagbiroan eh! Brad! Brad!
Nice. Ay pa.
Congrats, bro! Welcome to the Lions!
Ang buong akala ni Marvin ay pasok na siya sa team. Pero pinagtitripan lang pala siya ng barkada ni Seth.